Good morning all, it's 10:05. I'm actually in sort of Macclesfield. I think I'm on the Macclesfield road. I've got 6.7 miles to go till destination. I'm going to be early, but yeah, I just thought I'd film the last sort of bit of it, to be fair, but let's see, eh? I did stop off about 23 mile ago, well 23.7 to be precise, just to fill up the tank, and I reset my B trip meter, but it reset my bloody A as well, and I don't know why, and it keeps doing that. I'm off to meet the Birchwood biker. I'm only filming this sort of this bit, but I will film obviously more a bit later. I've just cleaned my screen as well because there was a bit of mist and a few fly hits, but yeah, it's not raining, and it's not really, well, I've actually sort of got thermals on the top. I've got my Burgos rain trousers over my Dainese or Dianese, or however you pronounce it. As a windbreaker, they're just really good, because with my knee, as some or none may know, obviously I've got plates under it and I've got a bit of arthritis, and it sort of, yeah, plays up, so using them as a windbreaker. But I left at, I think it was about 8, yeah it was about 8:30. I got there early, and it's a Sunday, and I thought I'd fill up halfway. I was going to go for breakfast, but I know there's a McDonald's next to the Superbike factory, or sports bike factory should I say. I've averaged 74.6 miles per gallon so far, so that's not too bad really. I did fill it up yesterday, but I didn't fill it to the top really, so yeah. So now I've got a full tank. I don't know if you can see, I'll wipe the screen actually, because I don't know if it's clean. It should be. Oh, look, traffic. See, this is why I leave early. Can't overtake either, which is, oh well, never mind. Double whites, well, solid whites should I say. So yeah, I'm only 4.5 miles away, so I should get there for 10:20-ish. So not too bad. Oh, yeah, and I was reading something on Birchwood Bikers upload yesterday about this meet, and apparently they're discontinuing these bikes, and I did look, and they've actually knocked £1,000 off. 7,799 now instead of 8,799. I was lucky because when I bought mine in September, I got it for 8,195, plus I got the sort of service plan with it, which cost 399, so I actually got £1,000 off anyway, so I was pretty lucky. But yeah, I can't believe they're discontinuing this bike. It's mad. I bet they're going to bring another one out for 2026. I've got to, they're really popular bloody bikes. motorway wasn't too bad really. Well, it says you can't cross double solid whites, but we've had to cross it to come over to this side, so I wonder if I could have filled, but there was a wagon in. Weren't much of a wait anyway, so it weren't too bad. I need the toilet. And sorry about my sniffing before the day starts, but yeah, you know what I'm like, especially when it's cold. Well, 60 down here, but there's a wagon that can only do 56 because they're limited, because I think that's the optimal sort of fuel sort of consumption, isn't it? 56. I think all HGVs and coaches and buses and that are actually limited to 56 mile an hour. Well, I don't think, I know. And I don't want to overtake anyway. I've only got 4 miles to go, so not too bad. But yeah, this is just the first video. I'll upload this probably straight away when I get home tonight, and then I don't do editing as you know, so whatever comes next will be uploaded, you know, in sequence, I guess. It is blowy today. So forgive me for the mic sort of sound. 1.4 miles and yeah, Ireland. I know it looks dry outside, but there is a little bit of a cold air and the clouds are really low, so I'll wipe the screen intermittently if I can remember. Well, we're in Macclesfield, so there you go. Just saw the sign. Don't know if you saw it as I looked over at it. You probably did, probably didn't. I don't know. Yeah, so they're all new roads to me, obviously. On the motorway, obviously, I can do 70. Pretty clear. A lot of sort of, you know, turns, as in, you know, veering off to different motorways and stuff. But it wasn't too bad. It was pretty straightforward. As I say, the traffic was pretty quiet. So, and it's Sunday, innit? So it's bound to be, I guess. And the kids are back at school tomorrow, aren't they? I believe so. See, the roads are no better up here than they are down south. was a nice fence. Bloody trees in the way, I can't see. It's gotta be right again, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, no feet down, lovely jubbly. Got another one. Shit. Let's look about. Hopefully that's the end of the bloody roundabout. Oh no, there's another one in half a mile. Oh, it can't be that far. No, 4 minutes away. Well, we're going to end up in Malabath, by the way, so hopefully I should get it this time. Oh, there's McDonald's. It's going to be by Screwfix, I think. Oh, bloody horrible. Can't be that one, can it? Ah, there you go, Superbike factory. Here I am. I'm here well early. This is a coffee. Oh, there's Superbike factory right in front of me. There's a little caravan or something that sells coffee. Dying for a drink. So I guess it's down here. Oh, here I am. Thanks for watching, guys.